हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन लॉरेंट थ्योरम एंड लॉरेंट series expansion of the analytic function. So let us see the statement first. Let fz is analytic function. Fz is analytic on circle C1 and C2 and annual region are bounded by concentric circle C1 and C2 of radii R1 and R2 with center A, then so let us try to understand first region. What we have circle C1 and C2. Fine. So this is the C1, this is the C2, this is center A, and this is the radius R1 and this is the radius R2. So area here fz is analytic on the circle C1 and circle C2 and this annual region bounded by this circle C1 and this is the annual region. Fz is analytic in this region. Then your fz will be a0 plus a1 z minus a plus a2 z minus a whole square plus dot 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 plus b1 by z minus a plus b2 upon z minus a whole square plus dot dot dot, where let me define that a1 and b1, where an equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integral fw by w minus a n plus 1 dw, where dw is the any point between the region R and bn equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integral fw by w minus a power minus n plus 1 dw. So this is your an and bn. So this theorem is called Lorentz theorem, and this series is called Lorentz series, and this series has two parts. If you see, so the first part is called analytic part, and second part where 1 upon z minus a 1 upon z minus a whole square, so this is called the principal part. So for the Taylor series, principal part will be 0. So analytic part where function is throughout convergent, and second part is the analytic part. Second part is the principal part. Let us try to understand the Lorentz series with one example. So let fz equal to 1 upon z minus a z minus 2. Expand this function fz in the Lorentz series in the region. So first region is given 0 mod z 1, second is given 1 mod z 2, and third region mod z greater than 2. So about these three regions we need to find the Lorentz series. Okay, so what we do, first we do the partial fraction here. So fz equal to, if you do the partial fraction, so we get 1 upon z minus 1 z minus 2 equal to a upon z minus 1 b upon z minus 2. Then 1 equal to a z minus 2 plus b z minus 1. If z equal to 1, so the b will be 0, so a equal to minus 1. And if z equal to 2, so a will be 0, so b equal to 1. So your function will be a upon fz equal to minus 1 upon z minus 1 plus 1 upon z minus 2. So this is the function. So this Laurent series based on the binomial expansion. So we know binomial expansion 1 plus x power minus 1 equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x power 4 minus dot dot dot, and 1 minus x power minus 1 equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus dot dot dot, provided mod x less than 1. So we'll use this binomial expansion. So we have to make sure this x should be less than 1. So here, so let us see the first region. First region what we have already is given this mod z less than 1. So nothing to worry. So simply what we do, we'll take the constant common. So if you take constant common 1 here, so we get 1 upon 1 minus z. Fine, I have taken minus 1 common, and here you take minus 2 common, so 1 upon 2 and 1 minus z by 2. So if z is less than 1 means z by 2 also less than 1, no problem. So now we can have binomial expansion 1 minus z power minus 1, fine, minus 1 by 2 and 1 minus z2 power minus 1. So this will be 1 plus z square plus z cube and minus 1 by 2. So we have 1 plus z by 2 plus z by 2 whole square plus z by 2 whole cube plus dot dot dot. So this is the Laurent series of fz in the region 0 less than mod z less than 1. So if you see carefully, so here all we have the analytic part only. The principal part is 0. Principal part is 0. It means this function is throughout analytic in that region. The principal part is 0. Okay. Now let us see for the second region. The second region is given mod z 1 less than 2 and your fz equal to 1 upon minus 1 upon z minus 1 plus 1 upon z minus 2. Fine. So if you see this one, so always you have to make that 1 plus x means x should be less than 1. So if you see this part 1 less than mod z, so 1 upon z less than 1. So when we have 1, so 1 by z you have to take. You have to take common. For the second one, mod z less than 2. So if you take mod z by 2 less than 1. So for the second part, you have to take the z by 2. So minus 2 you have to take the common. So for the first z you take common, then we'll get 1 by z. And here if you take the 2 common, so we get z by 2, that will be less than 1. So let us see one by one. So first term will be, we need to take the z common. So minus 1 upon z if you take common, so we get 1 minus 1 by z power minus 1. Fine. And second one, we'll take the minus 2 common. So minus 1 upon 2. So we get 1 minus z by 2 power minus 1. Now here see 1 plus x form. So x equal to 1 by z less than 1. Here you see that 1 minus x equal to z by 2, z by 2 less than 1. So now we can have expansion here. So minus 1 upon z, 1 plus 1 by z plus 1 by z whole square plus 1 by z whole cube, and minus 1 by 2, 1 plus z by 2 plus z by 2 whole square plus z by 2 whole cube plus dot dot dot. So this is the Taylor series, Lorentz series expansion for the fz in the region this. And the last one, let us see the last region. What is given? Last is given mod z greater than 2. So mod z greater than 2 means 2 upon mod z less than 1. So in the both the term we have to pay 2 by mod z. If 2 by mod z less than 1, so 1 by mod z also less than 1. Fine. So you have to make the form 2 by z, 1 by z. So in the both the term we will take the z common. So let us have fz equal to minus 1 upon z minus 1 upon z minus 2. So we'll take z common. So we get minus 1 upon z. So 1 minus 1 upon z power minus 1 plus 1 by z you will take common here. So 1 minus 2 by z power minus 1. Fine. Now we'll have that binomial expansion minus 1 upon z. So we have 1 plus 1 by z plus 1 plus z whole square and plus 1 by z, 1 plus 2 by z plus 2 by z whole square plus. So this is the Lorentz series expansion. Fine. Let us take one more question. The question is fz equal to e power 2z upon z minus 1 power 3 about z equal to 1. Okay. So find the Lorentz series of this given function about the point z equal to 1. So what we do, we'll take z minus 1 equal to u. Okay. So z equal to 1 plus u. Then we can have your fz equal to e power 2 1 plus u divided by u cube. So e square by u cube and e power 2u. Then e square by u cube, and this is the 1 plus 2u plus 2u whole square by factorial 2 plus 2u whole cube by factorial 3 per dot dot dot. So e square by u equal to z minus 1 whole cube 1 plus 2 z minus 1 plus 2 square z minus 1 whole square by factorial 2 and plus 2 power cube, and u cube means z minus 1 power cube by factorial 3 plus dot dot dot. So this is your Taylor Lorentz series expansion of this function. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.